Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SiriusXM how to download to cell phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To download content to your phone from SiriusXM, you can download on-demand shows or podcast. Unfortunately, SiriusXM does not support downloading entire music channels for offline listening, but on-demand content is available for certain shows, podcasts and interviews. In order to download the SiriusXM app, first what you need to do is head over and then open up your app store. Now on your search bar, simply type in SiriusXM right here. Then what you need to do is look for an app icon like this on your search list. This is the SiriusXM app. Then simply tap on the app. Now once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the get button. Then on tapping it, you'll be prompted to log in with your Face ID or enter in your passcode to simply proceed the downloading process. Now once downloaded, all you gotta do is simply tap on the open, and here you'll be able to download contents which are downloadable, and by downloading it you'll be able to access them through your library section by simply tapping on the downloads. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.